Hey guys, it's Kat here, and sorry guys, I can't really control the music in the background. It won't turn off for some reason. I swear, like, it actually won't turn off. Anyway, today guys, I'm going to be doing a video on, oh, what's happening? Okay, on, what? Did she just donate? She just, wait, I wanna, yeah, please don't, no. Did she just donate that girl that much money? Okay, wow. Hi, I wanna, like, get that much money. I only have, like, 15,000, guys. I need money. Excuse me. I'm gonna knock, like, as much as I can. Come on. Permanent ring. I need money. Obviously, it feels rich. I need money. Did she, like, literally donate that much money, guys? Oh, sorry, guys, I had that glitch. Okay, guys. Heck. I'm so mad right now. Guys. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Oh. These people, like, jeez Louise. Like, is this my bike? Guys, like, I was standing there the whole time. Ow. Excuse me. No. I'm coming through. There, okay. What happened? Wait up. Okay, wow. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Look how close I was to hitting him. I literally went like that. Jeez, my gosh. Just people. Sorry guys, my mom might walk in here because she just might. I don't know why, but she might because this is her room. Anyway, guys, I don't need to explain that, but just in case she comes in. Guys, I don't know why they even have this, like, city hall if nothing even does anything. Like, why? Like, okay, guys, so, okay, look that, she's like, I need a potty. Oh my gosh, there's just some people. Okay, guys, so, we're gonna be looking for mansions. Oh my god, guys, I already see a mansion up back there. Let's see if we can be roommate with somebody and stuff. But I can't believe right whenever I joined the game. Actually, guys, I didn't just join the game. I went and I saw that house and I waited there. And I tried to go in. Nothing happened. So, yeah. Guys, and this is, by the way, this is my first. There's so many mansions right here. By the way, guys, this is my first time making. What the? This is my first time making this type of video. I'm gonna say, excuse me. Deaf Pumpkin's house. Okay. A little odd. Look at my hair. It looks like. Do you see what? Wait. Do you see what I? Just kidding. It's kind of creepy. Guys, I'm a creep person. Okay. He knows. He knows. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, guys, so I'll be back once I go to my house and stuff. Okay, guys, so I'm back at my house. And I'm what the no. Okay, I thought that was where like the big house was, and I was like, no. Okay, guys, so where's my bike? I just want to use my bike. So I'm gonna drive back to that house. Guys, I just thought it might have been better. Okay. Okay, wow, he's like, I'm cute and fun. Wow, and he's like, my house not done. Oh my god, woman, your house is like the best. I'm not talking to you. My nose itches. Can you be my mom? Sure. Yay. Come. Guys, I actually have like no idea. Hey, well, I think that kid has the music in him. If you like, come on, dude. Can this be my bike? Sure. Okay. Yay, like, so happy. I'm going to say, your room. I know, but she knows. I think you might say, it's pink. Like, who even cares? Pink? Bleh, I want green. Okay. Okay. Then I'll go. Do it now. Okay, fine, dude. Wow, he's like, do it now, do it. And then he just like cries. He's like, yay! Wow. He's like so paint. Come on, load. I have to make this blue. Oh my god, this is gonna be ugly. Just saying. Oh, but the sheen now. Guys, I am so sorry about this video, how it's like so bad. Perfect, guys. Wait, paint. Alright, guys, so I'm going to press paint. I'm going to press that. No. He won't like that color. Check. Okay, is there any? Oh no, the floor is pink. Jeez, he's gonna be like so mad about that exit. Okay, wow. Okay, now he's buying cookies from somebody. Why would you? Okay. I think I got like kicked out of the game or something. Cause like, look at this. Oh no, it's because I could like walk through him. OMG, thanks. I'm gonna put, can you donate some for me during your Can you? Oh, I didn't mean to do that in caps. Whoops. And let's see if he's nice or not. Okay, there's Stinky. I'm gonna boost my mode. Son, if you're gonna be stinky. No, I don't think. No, later. Let's shoot. Close. But she knows. Okay. That's what he said. Okay. I'm going to chill. And obviously watch TV. No, okay. I need, like, some help here. Change channel, unicorn channels coming up next. Wait, no. Watch. Wait. Do you wanna take a shower here? Take a shower. Oh my gosh. Shower. I think I'm spelling it right. She's like, oh yes, please. Okay, wow, I even like guessed at her. Let's leave. I'm gonna put, honey, let her have her privacy. No, son. Okay, now he just like closed the door on me. Wow.